Welcome to Intelligence Data Management course. To give us initial understanding of what it is, let us dissect its title and define it individually. Let's start with intelligence. The dictionary defines it as the ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skills, while data, on the other hand, pertains to collected facts and statistics. Management, as we all know, is the process of dealing with or controlling things or people. And Mr. Webster described it as the art of conducting or supervising of something. Combining all of this into one, we would come up with the process of controlling acquired or collected facts and statistics by applying knowledge and skills. We define intelligence data management as the act of implementing controls on gathered, received, shared information and data by generating intelligence report to provide decision-useful information to leaders. When we're tasked with a specific project, case, or conducting a profile of a thing or person, we follow a series of actions or steps to achieve our objective. This is what we call as the intelligence cycle. Having a harmonized process ensures that we do our job correctly as we work through a system of checks and balances. This cycle are planning and direction, collection, processing, analysis and production, and dissemination. We will learn in this course of description of how we can maintain database or records for processing or future use. And it has two critical aspects. First one is apply the appropriate tools and techniques to gather useful information and data. But for us to gather information, we must be familiar with available source of information and data. And there are two major sources, the open source and closed source. Open source pertains to freely accessible information like broadcast and print media. But with the advancement of technology, internet blogs and websites are quickly emerging as viable news sources as more and more people seek those out online. Closed source information are those sources with restricted access. Examples of this are legal documents, clearances, permits issued by different government agencies, Bureau of Customs E2M system, shipping manifest, and documents. The next critical aspect is described as acquired basic knowledge in procedures, laws, rules, and regulations. Having the basic knowledge on the violation or regulations committed would give us the edge in prioritizing and sorting out information. Underlying skills and talents of personnel are as significant as to the information we are gathering. The ability to use advanced technology, creativity in conducting research and communication are among the vital abilities that must be possessed. As we go through this course on intelligence data management, we will understand and appreciate the importance of information and how to use the accumulation of information or data for conversion into intelligence information that will redound to better implementation of our regulations.